Wait. Before you calculate the profit percentage, there's one small detail in this question that you cannot ignore. Alfred buys an old scooter for 4,700 Indian rupees and spends another 800 Indian rupees on repairs. He then sells it for 5,800 Indian rupees. So, what is his gain percentage? Take a second. Think about it. Let's solve it together. First, what is our actual cost price? Is it 4,700 Indian rupees? Not quite. Remember, Alfred also spent 800 Indian rupees on repairs. So the total amount he actually spent on the scooter is 4,700 Indian rupees plus 800 Indian rupees equals 5,500 Indian rupees. So, our cost price is 5,500 Indian rupees. Pretty simple, right? Now, the selling price is already given. Alfred sold the scooter for 5,800. So, selling price equals 5,800. Now let's see how much money he actually made. Gain is simply selling price minus cost price. So, 5,800 5,500 is equal to 300. That means Alfred made a profit of 300. Now comes the part we actually need. The formula for gain percentage is gain percentage equals gain divided by cost price times 100. Let's put our values in. 300 divided by 5,500 by 100. And after simplifying, we get 5 and 5/11%, or approximately 5.45%. So the final answer is 5 and 5/11% gain. And remember the trick from this question. Whenever there are repair costs, transportation costs, or any extra expenses, add them to the original buying price to find the actual cost price. Otherwise, you might get the entire answer wrong. If you got the answer before I explained it, let me know in the comments. And if you want more tricky profit and loss questions, stay tuned for the next one.